What's up, guys? What's up? Welcome back to another video from your girl Casey, and today I'm going to show you how to make sweet potato pudding. So stay tuned, I'll be right back. Yes guys, it's about that time. So as you can see, these are all my products that I'm going to use to make my sweet potato pudding. There you can see I have my potato dice and my cassava. I have some brown sugar. I have some raisins soaking in rum. I have my flour here, my cornmeal, some cinnamon powder, a nutmeg, and over here I have some coconut milk, and I have almond and vanilla. So now I'm gonna go ahead and blend my potato and my cassava. I normally grate it, but this time I don't have any time, that as much time as I would like to, but it's the same thing, same process. I'm gonna sieve my flour and my cornmeal together, so it's the same portion, same amount of flour, same amount of cornmeal. So here I have some cinnamon and some salt. I'm gonna sieve it. So I have my coconut milk here, so I'm gonna add my sugar in. I'm gonna put some vanilla, a little tip of almond, and now I'm gonna combine all those ingredients together. So I'm gonna blend in everything: the flour, the cornmeal, the cinnamon, and the salt. So now I'm gonna grate some nutmeg. So now I'm gonna add my coconut milk to the mixture and I'm gonna mix it in. I'm gonna add some melted butter. So now that my flour and my cornmeal is smooth, as you can see, there's no lump, no flour lump, no cornmeal lump. I'm gonna go ahead now and add my potatoes. So now I'm gonna add some of the trash from the coconut. I'm not gonna put too much. So there you go, guys. Finish mixing, and my oven is already preheated to 350 degrees. So that's my raisin. I'm gonna put some raisin. The raisin is soaking into some rum, so I'm gonna drain it off inside the pudding. So now I'm gonna put some flour over the raisin, and the reason why I put the flour over the raisin to coat it, because normally if you drop it inside the pudding like that, it will settle to the bottom and it causes the pudding to burn. So when you put the flour on it, the raisin will stay in the middle and on top. So I'm just gonna dab it in like that. So now I'm gonna drop the raisins. So that's it. I'm gonna put them in the pan right now and then put it in the oven. So I'm gonna bake this for 1 hour and 45 minutes. So I already greased my pans, so I'm gonna pour my potato inside the pan and then put it in the oven. So now it's all ready. I'm gonna pop it in the oven, and as I said, I'm gonna bake it for 1 hour and 45 minutes. They're in the oven, so I'm gonna leave them right now to bake. I have some leftover coconut milk here, and I'm gonna put it on top of the pudding to get that niceness on top. You know, that nice soft nice look on top. Yeah, see guys, it's almost ready. So I'm gonna put the little coconut milk that I left over on top of it. So guys, my pudding is out. As you can see all the slush on top. As you can see, So I'm gonna cut it. I'm not gonna cut it now because it's hot. So I'm gonna cut it and then after it's cool and then show you guys. That's the finishing product of my sweet potato pudding. Look at that. Look at that. So you know what to do, guys. Like, share, subscribe. If you're not already subscribed to my channel, what are you waiting for? Hit that notification bell so you know each time I upload a video. And thanks for watching. Bye until next time. I hope you do enjoy this video.